Hey guys, it's Lisa here, back again with a new reaction video, and oh my gosh, today it's time to finally react to CLC's new freaking song, Helicopter. I've been waiting for CLC's comeback. Like, when they announced they had a comeback, I was like, yes, finally my girls are getting a comeback. I mean, I was very happy G-Idol got a comeback, but I was like, Cube, come on, where's my CLC comeback? Where's my CLC comeback? So yeah, it's finally here and I'm super excited. I'm just going to watch it. Alright, so I am ready. I'm so sorry for the bad lighting, but the sun is like shining so bright. So I am ready. Let's do this. CLC, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, you have no idea. We won't be lonely at the top. Ooh. Oh gosh, look at those girls. Oh my gosh. Helicopter. Oh, it's starting off great already. Freaking powerful. Ooh. Yes! They are looking amazing. Oh yes, yeah. Oh, she looks beautiful. I love her in blonde. Yes, slay! Yes, Elkie! Oh, it already sounds... Ooh, she has short hair. That's amazing. She is so flexible. It's amazing. She is such a great dancer, you guys. Wow. Guys, I'm just waiting for Sean to pop up. Ooh, singing your voice. Ooh, I like what they do with their hands. It's like a helicopter. You know those propellers? Woo! There she is! Look at Soren. Oh, her voice! Oh! They all look so gorgeous. Oh. Wow, that's... Wow. She is so good. Oh, those eyes really shine. Her eyes just pierce right through me. Yes. Oh, her voice. Her voice. The chorus is so powerful. Oh, I love the song. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. This is their style. This is definitely their style. Whoa, look how freaking flexible they are. Oh, look at her sleigh though, look at her. Oh, it's like they are being scanned. Wow. Oh my god. Her voice, I freaking can't. Yes! Freaking Soren in the center, yes! Yes, girl! Oh, I love her voice. I love her. I just thought Soren. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking good. Oh my gosh. The journey never ends. Now it better not end. Not ends. Holy Holy shit, it was so freaking good. Oh my gosh, guys, CLC's freaking back. And better than ever, oh my lord. I'm not sure, I don't think this is like an album, but it deserves a freaking album. CLC deserves a freaking new album. I love how, you know, different their style is. But this is definitely their style. Like black dress, me, helicopter. I love it. I love Devil too. It's like the cutest style. But this, oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. I freaking cannot. I'm so freaking proud of my freaking girls. You have no idea. I've been there since their debut and I've seen them grow, and my freaking heart. It's so good to see how good they became, how good they are. Like, wow. And I'm so happy more people finally recognize like their freaking talent. And my girl Sword, I mean, oh damn. Okay, so I can talk about them like forever, but I won't do that. I won't bother you guys with that. So, but as you could see, I freaking love this song. I love this comeback. It's even better than I had hoped for. CLC never disappoints. Just saying. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this comeback. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe. And then I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.